And this is the example of production cost report. Okay. First, the title. Right? The title, the name of the company, Rimba Berhad, and then production cost report. In processing or in process costing, you have to state the department. Okay, remember, a separate cost of production report is prepared for each processing department. This is baking department, and maybe after baking department we have the other department. For example, packaging department. And for the year ended. Alright? Okay. The first section, do you still remember the first section? This one, we prepared the quantity schedule. Right? For the quantity schedule, first step, you compute what? The physical flow. Okay, beginning work in process plus started into production. Okay, total equal to finish plus ending work in process unit. Okay, the total here is equal. Right? And this is the first step. The second step, the equivalence unit. How to compute the equivalence unit? Okay, completed unit plus ending work in process divide by percentage completed. Okay, this is the finished unit or completed unit or transferred out unit. And then the ending work in process is 1000. So based on the percentage of completed, in this example, how much? The direct material added at the beginning of the process. So 100. So here we get 1000. For direct material, the completed percentage, okay, the direct material can added at the beginning, ending, or uniformly. Okay, if beginning 100%, ending 0%, and uniformly. Okay, and this conversion cost. For conversion cost, if we look at here 800. So how much the percentage complete? Right? We know 1000 multiplied by 80%. Okay, so this is the equivalent unit. And then for the second section is cost per equivalent unit. This is step number 3. How to compute cost per equivalent unit in formula? Yes, beginning work in process plus current cost, right? Divide by equivalence unit for direct material and conversion cost. Okay, the total cost divide by the total equivalence unit. Right? So this is cost per equivalent unit for direct material and for conversion cost. And then to compute the total, okay, we get the total cost per equivalent unit is 7 ringgit 25 cent. Okay, for the total cost, you should from right to left to get the total. Okay, and then the fourth step is compute cost transferred out. In this is the third section. Okay, the finished unit and transferred out cost. How to compute? Completed unit multiply by ending completed unit multiply by total cost per equivalent unit. Right? So the completed unit divide by multiply by total cost equivalent per unit. So this is the finished cost, right? And then the lastly, step number 5, ending work in process cost. Okay, for the ending work in process cost, the ending work in process unit multiply by the cost equivalent per unit for direct material and for conversion cost. And lastly, you have total cost. The total cost is for finished or completed unit and ending work in process unit. Right? The total cost. Okay. So I think that's all for today. Thank you very much and see you again.